I light every bridge I see here just to watch it burn. If you've seen all the hell I've seen, it make your stomach turn. I think you know why I do what I do when I do. I could tell some stories about some things you won't believe. It takes more than an author now to set the sinner free. I think you know how I try when I try, Lord, I try. I might drink a little, I might smoke a lot, counting down the good times, staring down the clock. Throw some hallelujahs to the big man in the sky. Show up Sunday morning looking just like last night. Yeah, that's how I get by. Oh, that's how I get by. 1,000 miles of gravel I've been walking with no shoes. No matter how far I come, I can't outrun my roots. I think you know why I do what I do when I do. I might drink a little, I might smoke a lot, counting down the good times, staring down the clock. Throw some hallelujahs to the big man in the sky. Show up Sunday morning looking just like last night. Yeah, that's how I get by. Oh, that's how I get by. I might drink a little,
That's how I get by.
counting down the good times.
That's how I get by.
Throw some hallelujah.
That's how I get by.
Show up Sunday morning smelling just like last night. I might drink a little, I might smoke a lot, counting down the good times, staring down the clock. Throw some hallelujah to the big man in the sky. Show up Sunday morning looking just like last night. Yeah, that's how I get by. Oh, that's how I get by. Lord, that's how I get by.